How to insert or add up server emojis on your Discord PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, let's discuss how to use different kind of emojis on your Discord server or the Discord PC server. To get started with, first of all, let's see how can we get different kinds of server emojis. For that, open any of your browser and visit the emoji sites. One of such popular is emoji.gg. If you visit the site, you can see different kinds of server emojis and then search for something that you like. For that, click on its official website. Select the emojis that you like to download, open it and then download. You can either add the emoji as a mod icon, or what you can do is you can just download the emoji. Once downloaded, it is downloaded or saved on your PC. After that, let's move on adding it to the Discord. For this, open your Discord application, choose the server where you'd like to add, and then tap on this drop-down icon right beside your server name. Now, you have to click on Server Settings. Once you tap open it, you will land to another page from where you will see a section called as Emoji. Select on it and then you will see here is a place where you can upload your server emojis. You can add up to 50 custom emojis that anyone can use in the server. However, there are some criteria such as file type and other mentioned on it. Make sure to abide by the rules and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.